We recently got to test the Reolink Doorbell, and it's a game changer.
Hi, we'll be right there. Please wait a moment.
It's really easy to install. We got a fun with the app because it works seamlessly and really lets you know who's at the door anytime and anywhere. The box comes with Reolink Chime, the device that stays inside your home. We'll pair this later. In the box, you also find the Reolink Doorbell, a plastic-based support for mounting, and an angle bracket for corner installations. You can choose between using a rechargeable battery or hardwiring it to an existing doorbell wiring for continuous power. Here's the USB-C port and the micro SD slot, and this is where you power it on.
Welcome to Reolink. Please install Reolink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Bienvenido a Reolink. Por favor, instale la aplicación Reolink y escanee el código QR en la cámara.
Now you just scan the QR code and follow the instructions to set it up. It's pretty easy. With pairing complete, it's time to mount the devices.
Veuillez installer l'application Reolink et scanner le code QR sur la caméra. Camera is connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.
The Reolink wireless battery doorbell integrates seamlessly with the ecosystems and supports various chime options. Reolink Chime, Home Hub, Mechanical Chimes, Alexa Echo Show, or Google Assistant. Welcoming visitors, keeping an eye on the front door, and even sending quick replies. It's all surprisingly handy, like having a little helper when you need it. Whether you're at home or away, it just makes things easier and adds a sense of security. Honestly, it's pretty awesome.